small car. It's too small in the back. I like the thing. Huracan better. Huracan, there's more space in the roof. In the back.
So we're standing in front of this Aventador. This car is going from bright orange to satin black. As you can see, the front half of the car is almost done. We have the bumper back on there already. We like to do things quickly, so when we take things off, a portion of it gets wrapped. Our other staff members will put it on so they don't get damaged laying around, that kind of stuff. Even though some of the car's not done, the bumper's on there already, this is already completed. Aventadors, especially when it's a bright color and you're doing something like this, from orange to black, a lot of panel gaps, especially in the back, all of that shows. So you have to do inside of those panels, or else all the lines are gonna show. We're gonna be doing jams on this. So this car, technically, whenever you open the doors, you're not gonna see any more orange. So we're doing it the right way. It is a bit of an older Aventador, so it came to us with a few other service issues, so we're gonna be taking care of that as well. So it's getting a wrap and it's gonna get service. But yeah, that's another Aventador getting wrapped at RDB.
So we have a Mercedes GL63 here. This car. So we have a Mercedes here. We're doing full brakes on this, front rotors, pads, same thing in the back. We're also going to do a service on this car. So we're going to get started. We have a lot of mechanical today. We're finishing up a lot of paint work as well. We're on a test drive on this Mercedes right after the brake job. So far so good on this car. No noise, that's the most important thing. We have the brake light that's completely reset. We don't have it on here anymore. Everything else is perfect on this car. We're gonna head back to the shop right now and give it back to the customer.
Sarkis in the car, that's why. Goes in neutral too, another thing I hate.
Remember, it's the old Lambo, goes on neutral.
And that sucks. You can punch it. You can, just punch it here.
It's not right to do that.
Just once.
Why?
Just one, let's see. Punch it. One. Okay, drift now.
Drift now. You don't just drift around Los Angeles. This will be your car.
No, I like Ferrari more. Just do something crazy.
You have problems, man.
I left the office. You're gonna do something crazy. Bro, I left the office for nothing. Is that drifting? I left the office. At least do something crazy.
On this turn, scare Sarkis.
Okay, scare me.
I can't help it.
Surprise me.
There's nothing you can do.
Surprise me. Surprise, come on.
There's nothing you can do.
Bro.
not the car that you want to do every exercise with. This car is just really all about looking crazy and sounding crazy. That's
punch it.
I did punch it already. It's enough. Remember, we're here to shoot video.
Yeah, but I want something crazy. I want something. Even when I left the office, I will have something to have some excuse.
He's the worst guy to go in the car with. Do something crazy. Do a crazy maneuver.
We're not in Armenia, bro. There's laws.
What's up? Too much vibration on this car.
Yeah, this car is known for all of that.
No, like there's noise.
The Aventador looks crazy, sounds crazy. Honestly, other than that, doesn't drive very well.
My favorite one is the Huracan better.
The Huracan is small, but it does drive much better.
But you don't think
this car, even though it's so big, it feels very cramped. I know. And they also all need exhaust because they don't sound good unless you get an exhaust.
You know, there's an exhaust one. Like there's a fire in the back.
Oh my god.
That one is crazy.
You haven't worked here for too long, huh?
But not this one. This one's
stock.
Yeah, you should put down.
We've done millions of those.
Yeah, but this one doesn't
Not
have
every
it.
customer wants to have a very loud car. This might be loud enough for many people. Not this guy.
Yeah, but is from the muffler, is it possible the car can catch a fire?
They did. There was a recall to change something because they were all catching on fire because the emissions was releasing gas fumes from the left side of the muffler. Now they moved it a little bit. Get a lot of comments about Moses' hair. Not everybody has good hair, unfortunately. But we're gonna try to help Moses out today.
I have very good hair.
That's all that matters, that he thinks he has good hair. So we're gonna help him out a little bit by using this.
Maximum coverage.
Yeah, he looks good.
That works pretty good.
It does, I'm telling you. But you get his bald spot right there? The back too?
20 years younger.
Oh my
Bro,
god,
you look
yeah.
fucking beautiful, man. Oh, dude. Go to the side. Turn to the side.
Hey, it's good, looking
the side,
good.
The back right there.
Oh yeah.
Hey, he looks younger, huh?
Yeah, he looks fucking great. Let me see it.
God damn.
Damn.
Yeah!
Dude, it actually works.
That's crazy, man.
Let me see, look here. Yeah.
You look so young. Look how fucking nice you look.
I remember the older days.
Now it's Sarkis' turn.
We have to start from the
No.
Hey, Sarkis,
No.
it's gonna come off.
No,
yours
there's a cut.
will come off too easy. It doesn't matter.
Sarkis, the cut doesn't matter. Hey, you look f***ing good. Hey, you look so good.
Dude, why?
He looks like a little boy.
Hey, look in the mirror. You look so good, I swear.
So yeah, I'm happy about this. It came out pretty good. I like it. Let me know what you guys think about my new hair. I'm probably gonna do this every day from now on.